Hey, hey boys. Hey boys, yeah, we got a flat tire here, boys. See, if you look right here, you can see that it's definitely flat. So, oh boys, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about this flat tire? Oh boy, uh, looks like all the other tires are doing pretty good. Uh, the main thing is that one tire it's just so flat. It's just so damn flat. What do you say, boys? Maybe we should go take another look at it. Yeah, let's kick it. You just gotta kick it. You know what, boys? Fuck it. We quit. We quit. We're out of here. The hell with landscaping. The hell with landscaping anyway. Can't take all these damn flat tires. What are we supposed to be doing? These flat tires. Fuck it. Let's go have a beer.